Losing weight and managing type 2 diabetes can often feel like an uphill battle, but with the right approach, you can make it happen. Most people aim for the usual, like shedding a pound or two a week, but there's more to it.
FDA has just given approval to a new weight loss surgery that is less invasive than current procedures and has shown promising results in clinical trials.
In the first 6 weeks, I lost 23 pounds. Then I went to 30 pounds.
It wasn't a diet, it was a lifestyle change. And that's what's so important. And I love this video because it shows my bad days.
Today we're going to explore some interesting ways you can hit your weight goals and at the same time help yourself control your blood sugar levels. Today's video is different, so make sure you watch it until the end because this step-by-step guide has a unique tip at the end of this video. Hope you enjoy this video and get the most out of it. Circadian rhythm. Have you ever thought about how much timing can affect your weight loss journey? Well, it's more important than you think.
How can I eat more and lose weight? The secret is in the timing of the food, and it's called circadian eating. Our body operates on circadian rhythms, and I'm sure we're all familiar with the circadian rhythm associated with sleep. Our sleep follows a circadian rhythm based on the light-dark cycles of the sun. And just like we sleep according to a circadian rhythm, the organs of our body operate on circadian rhythms as well.
Your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, plays a huge role in how you process food. Studies show that your body handles sugar much better in the morning than at night. This means you're more insulin sensitive earlier in the day, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. What happens if you eat your heaviest meal at night? It's like driving in heavy traffic when you could have avoided it altogether. Your body struggles, needing more insulin to process the same meal you would have eaten in the morning. It's even worse for night shift workers who eat late. This disrupts the system, leading to more weight gain and worse blood sugar control. But here's the good news. You don't need to change what's on your plate, just when you eat it. Simply having your biggest meal earlier in the day can help with weight loss and improve your insulin sensitivity. Not only that, but many people notice better sleep. Eating earlier lowers your evening cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, helping you wind down for a good night's rest. By adjusting your eating schedule, you're not only fighting weight gain, but also improving your overall health. Beans unleashed. Beans have long been a staple food. Rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, beans are proving to be more than just an ordinary side dish. But what makes them so special?
Lots of people think that because beans are loaded with fiber, they have less of an impact on blood sugar. Just for comparison, this is what happened when I ate white rice, this is what happened when I ate sweet potato, and this is what happened when I ate pasta. Okay, here we go, fingers crossed. All right, so here is the result. The very first thing I noticed was the rapid fall in blood sugar immediately. As you can see, my blood sugar did start going up, but to be honest, not as much as I anticipated.
First, let's talk about their power in weight loss. Beans are packed with fiber and protein, both of which help keep you full for longer. This means you're less likely to snack between meals. And here's the catch. They're low in calories, but nutrient-dense, meaning you can eat more without worrying about gaining weight. And when it comes to diabetes, beans shine even brighter. Thanks to their low glycemic index, beans help prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Research shows that meals, including beans, result in more stable blood glucose, making them perfect for anyone managing type 2 diabetes. And did you know regular bean consumption can improve insulin sensitivity? This is critical for better blood sugar control. To make the most of beans is simple. Opt for whole beans without added sugars or fats, and pair them with whole grains for a complete, balanced meal. Ready to unlock the potential of this humble superfood? Beans may just be the answer to sustainable weight loss and better diabetes management. Neat hacks. No gym required.
One of the most powerful ways to stimulate epinephrine, which is also called adrenaline, from these neurons that connect to fat and to thereby stimulate more fat mobilization and oxidation is through movement. But I'm not talking about exercise. There was a group in England during the 1960s and 70s that discovered a pathway by which subtle forms of movement can greatly increase fat loss.
Non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT, plays a crucial role in burning calories without the need for structured workouts. It includes everyday actions like walking, lifting objects, or even standing. Is this effective? You bet, these small activities can lead to big changes over time. NEAT can help create the calorie deficit needed for weight loss. You might be thinking, how? Studies show that people who incorporate more NEAT into their routines burn up to 2,000 extra calories each week. That's without spending hours at the gym. Imagine how small actions like pacing while on the phone or taking the stairs can add up. But it's not just about weight. NEAT has powerful effects on diabetes management too. Higher NEAT levels have been linked to better insulin sensitivity, meaning your body uses insulin more effectively. This leads to better blood sugar control, which is crucial for anyone managing type 2 diabetes. Want more good news? Increasing NEAT can also help reduce waist size, cutting down on harmful visceral fat that's linked to metabolic issues. How can you boost NEAT? It's easier than you think. Stand while working, take short walks during breaks, or even choose hobbies like gardening or dancing. Setting reminders to move every 30 minutes can also keep you active throughout the day. Incorporating NEAT into your lifestyle could be the game changer you've been looking for. It's not about intense exercise routines, it's about making small but consistent changes. These movements not only help with weight loss, but also improve your blood sugar levels, making it a smart strategy for those looking to improve their overall health. The dual action formula.
Pharmaceutical company Eli Lilly says their popular diabetes drug, Mounjaro, could be FDA approved for weight loss by late 2023.
Mounjaro weight loss, this is a game changer.
These posts on social media showing how people are sharing their weight loss journeys using Mounjaro.
Here comes the double bonanza. Mounjaro, also known as Tirzepatide, is a new injectable medication that's gained attention for its dual benefits, controlling blood sugar and promoting weight loss. Its innovative approach makes it a game changer for those with type 2 diabetes and obesity. Now, what makes Mounjaro special? It works by targeting two hormones that play key roles in controlling blood sugar and appetite. These hormones are GLP-1 and GIP, both of which help the body manage insulin and metabolism. Mounjaro activates both of these pathways, unlike other medications that only target one. This dual action gives it an edge, helping patients lower their blood sugar levels while also suppressing appetite, which leads to significant weight loss.
This medication is approved for diabetes treatment, but also has a wonderful side effect of causing weight loss, and I foresee this being approved specifically for weight loss in the coming months.
But how effective is it? Clinical trials reveal impressive results. Participants using Mounjaro lost up to 26.6% of their body weight over 84 weeks. To put that in perspective, other treatments like Ozempic typically see around 15% weight loss in the same period. In fact, head-to-head studies show that Mounjaro outperforms Ozempic, with users losing about 15.3% of their body weight after 1 year, compared to 8.3% for those on semaglutide. These numbers are more than just statistics. They represent real progress for those struggling to shed excess pounds. And it's not just about weight loss. Mounjaro also helps manage diabetes more effectively. It's been shown to reduce HbA1c levels by 1.8% to 2.1%, and HbA1c levels are a key measure of long-term blood sugar control. This is crucial for preventing complications of diabetes, such as heart disease and nerve damage. Mounjaro helps by improving insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to manage blood sugar more efficiently after meals. Unlike some medications that can cause dangerously low blood sugar, Mounjaro works in a glucose-dependent way, reducing the risk of hypoglycemia. That's a big deal for diabetic patients who have to manage the delicate balance of blood sugar levels daily. Of course, like any medication, Mounjaro comes with side effects. The most common ones include nausea, vomiting, and digestive issues like diarrhea or constipation. These side effects are usually mild, but they can be uncomfortable enough to affect whether patients stick with the treatment. There are also concerns about the potential for thyroid tumors, though this has mainly been observed in animal studies, and more research is needed to determine if it's a risk for humans. There's no doubt about it that Mounjaro is a promising option for those battling both weight issues and type 2 diabetes. Its unique dual-action mechanism not only helps regulate blood sugar, but also offers significant weight loss. This is especially valuable for patients who haven't seen results with other treatments or who are looking for a more effective solution. However, it's important to remember that Mounjaro isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Consulting consulting a healthcare professional is key to understanding if it's the right option for you. Let's follow the step-by-step plan. So, how do you put these tips into action? Don't worry if it feels a bit confusing at first, we've got you covered. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you achieve your ultimate health goals, managing type 2 diabetes, and shedding those extra pounds. Step 1. Optimize your eating schedule. Eat earlier. Try making breakfast your biggest meal of the day and keep your dinners light. This shift can improve your metabolism and even help you sleep better at night. Watch your portions. Pay attention to how much you're eating, especially during larger meals. Even healthy foods can add up if portions aren't controlled. Track results. Notice how this change impacts your energy levels. Many people find they feel less stressed and more energized just by adjusting meal times. Step 2. Add more beans to your diet. Choose whole beans. Black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are excellent choices. They're full of fiber and protein, which help you feel full and stabilize blood sugar levels. Pair with grains. Combine beans with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice for balanced meals. This combo will keep you satisfied longer. Meal prep. Plan to include beans in your meals a few times a week. It's an easy way to make sure you're eating foods that help manage diabetes while keeping you full. Step 3. Increase daily movement. Incorporate small movements. Look for easy ways to add movement throughout your day. Take the stairs, walk during phone calls, or even stand while working. Set reminders. Use an app or timer to remind yourself to move every 30 or 60 minutes. This helps prevent long periods of inactivity that can slow your metabolism. Choose active hobbies. Gardening, dancing, and cleaning are great ways to stay active without hitting the gym. Make movement part of your daily routine. Step 4. Explore medical options like Mounjaro. Consult a doctor. If you're considering Mounjaro or Tirzepatide as part of your plan, talk to a healthcare professional first. They can determine if it's a good fit based on your medical history. Understand the benefits. Mounjaro not only helps control blood sugar, but also aids in weight loss. However, be mindful of possible side effects like nausea or digestive issues. Monitor your health. Stay in tune with how you're feeling and adjust accordingly. If you experience any side effects, consult your doctor for guidance. By following these steps, you can start seeing real changes in both your weight and blood sugar levels. So, which of these will you try first? Don't forget to tell us in the comment section. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on the latest in diabetes care and weight loss management, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Share this video with friends and family to spread awareness and help us make a difference. Lastly, if you want to store your precious meds like insulin or other injectables, please visit our website linked in the description of this video and get yourself one of the best cooling solutions to store your meds during hot temperatures. See you in the next video.